Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Nelatur. In this video, you are going to learn exercise 1.4 problems related to chapter 1 real numbers. In the following equations, find whether variables x, y, z, etc. represent rational numbers or irrational numbers. Solution for first question. X square is equal to 7. Then x is equal to plus or minus root 7. We know that the square will go to right side, it will be changed square root. Therefore, x is an irrational number since 7 is not perfect square. So, root 7 is an irrational number. Second question, y square is equal to 16. Then y is equal to root of 16. That implies y is equal to plus or minus 4. We know square of 4 is 16. Therefore, y is a rational number. Question 4. U square is equal to 17 by 4. Solution. U square is equal to 17 by 4. Then u is equal to square root of 17 by 4. We know square root of a by b is equal to square root a by square root b. So, square root of 17 by 4 is equal to square root of 17 by square root of 4. That is equal to square root of 17 by root 4 value is 2. Therefore, root 17 is a irrational number. Therefore, u is an irrational number. We know that the ratio of irrational by rational number is always irrational. Question number 5. W square is equal to 27. Solution. W square is equal to 27. Then W is equal to square root 27. That is equal square root of 27. We write 3 into 9. That is equal square root of 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal cube root 3. Because square root of 9 is 3. We know that root 3 is equal to 1.732 and so on. So that implies 3 into 1.732 and so on. So that is called 5.196 and so on. So we know that it is a irrational number because it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Question number 4. The ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle C by D is represented by pi. But we say pi is an irrational number. Why? Solution. Pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference C of a circle to its diameter D. Therefore, pi is equal to C by D. Pi is an irrational number. When you measure a length with a scale or any other, we will get only an approximate value. But if we measure accurately, then at least either C or D is irrational. So, pi is regarded as irrational. We often take 22 by 7 as an approximate value of pi, that is 22 by 7. The decimal expansion of pi is an non-terminating, non-recurring. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. First question, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. We know the identity a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Multiplying the numerator and denominator of 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. That is 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. That is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by 6 square minus 4 root 2 whole square. We know a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. In the numerator part, we apply a minus b whole square. That is 6 square minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2 whole square by 6 square is equal to 36. 4 root 2 whole square is equal to 32. Next step, 6 square means 36. 2 6 are 12, 12 4 are 48, root 2 plus 4 root 2 whole square is equal to 32 by 36 minus 32 is equal to 4. That is equal 36 plus 32 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4. That is equal, here take the 4 common, 4 into 17 minus 12 root 2 by 4. Here denominator and numerator cancel the 4. That is equal 17 minus 12 root 2. Solution for third question. 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. We know that identity root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to root a whole square minus root b whole square. Here cancel the square and roots. That is equal a minus b. Multiplying the numerator and denominator of 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiple the numerator part. 1 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, and denominator part multiple. That is equal 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. That is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 whole square value is equal to 18. 2 root 3 whole square value is equal to 12. That is equal 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. Question number 7. Find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Here root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732 and root 5 is equal to 2.236. Solution. Root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. That is equal to, rationalize the denominator. So root 10 minus root 5 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. That is equal to numerator part multiple with root 2. Root 10 into root 2, that is equal root 20. Root 5 into root 2, that is equal root 10 by denominator part 2 root 2 into root 2, that is equal 2 into 2. Here root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. That is equal to root 20. We can write root 4 into root 5 minus, we can write root 10 into root 2 into root 5 by 4. Here numerator part root 5 separate, root 5 into 2 minus root 2 by 4. That is equal, substitute the values of root 5 and root 2 in the numerator place. 2.236 into 2 minus 1.414 by 4. That is equal to 2.236 into, subtract 1.414 from 2, we get 0.586 by 4. After multiplication numerator part, we get 1.310296 by 4. Here the numerator is divisible by 4, we get 0.327574. That is equal 0.328 by correcting 3 decimal places. Number 9. Simplify 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root 343 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus square root of 225. Solution. That is equal to 4th root 81, we can write 3 power 4 minus 8 into cube root 343, we write 7 cube plus 15 into 5th root 32, we can write 2 power 5 plus, and 225 we write 15 square. That is equal to 4 cancel, we get 3 minus 8 into 3 cancel, we get 7 plus 15 into 5 cancel, we get 2 plus square root and 2 cancel, we can get 15, since nth root of a power n is equal to a. That is equal 3 minus 8 7s are 56 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 15. That is equal to minus 56, add 3, 30, 15, we get 48. After subtract, we get minus 8. Question number 10. If A and B are rational numbers, then find the value of A and B in the given equation. First question. Square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2, that is equal A plus B root 6. Solution. We know the identity square root A plus square root B into square root A minus square root B is equal to A minus B. The rationalizing factor of square root 3 minus square root 2 is square root 3 plus square root 2. So, multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2, that is equal A plus B root 6. Simplify the left side of the equation. First, root 3 multiple with root 3 plus root 2, that is root 3 into root 3 plus root 3 into root 2, plus next root 2 multiple with root 3 plus root 2, root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 into root 2, by denominator part root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 is equal to root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square, that is equal 3 minus 2. That implies root 2 into root 3 is equal to 3, root 3 into root 2 is equal to root 6, root 2 into root 3 is equal to root 6, root 2 into root 2, 2, by 3 minus 2 value is equal to 1. And add the like terms in the numerator part. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus root 6 plus root 6 is equal to 2 root 6. Compare the terms on both sides. Therefore, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. We will discuss chapter 2 polynomials and factorization in the next video. Thank you.